Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, December 23rd, 2020, and the U.S. stock market is closed. We had another great day today. We are really racking up the bucks here at the end of December and the end of 2020. Uh, we, I'll show you. Here's the Dow. Again, what the Dow did doesn't have much to do with what we did, just like yesterday. But unlike yesterday, today was an up day rather than a down day. Dow really exploded here at the beginning, was way up here, midday, and then it had this big sell off the last 15 minutes, but still officially it closed up 114 points. And please note it's still above that critical 30,000 floor that I keep talking about. So probably go up tomorrow, but it's anybody's guess what's going to happen. Okay, we had a great day, as I said. We had a pile of positions coming in. We closed all but two of them out, and we closed out with positive $28,000. Closed out $28,000 in profitable trades. We got into 12 new positions plus the two carryovers, so we're carrying 14 positions going into tomorrow. 10 are positive, only 4 are negative, and we are carrying positive $31,000 in open trade going into tomorrow. So we closed out 28,000 positive. We're carrying positive 31 going into tomorrow. That's a hell of a day, particularly after yesterday. Yesterday we had 74,000 I think and closed out, and so with the closed outs today, that's over 100,000 in trades we've closed out, and we're still carrying 31,000 going into tomorrow. So we're really raking it in here. It's a great Christmas present. I can hardly believe it. So let's look at three of our trades today. This first one I'm showing you is Pola, Pola, that's Polar Power. And we bought this on a pop today. It kept going there, closed pretty much near its high. We have $3,500 in open trade in Polar Power. This next one is Ride, RIDE, that is Lordstown Motors. Lordstown Motors, and or Ride, and I can really showing you two trades here. On Monday we bought Lordstown Motors right at the end of the day. It popped up yesterday, then started falling back, and we were stopped out with profits right there with $2,800. And then it went down a little more, and then it started coming back, and bammo, we get re-entered there on the with a minute to go, but we got into it on the re-entry, and then it just screams today and takes off, and did come back a little, but even with the pullback there, we got another $6,300 in open trade going in Ride or Lordstown Motors, and so we got $9,000 going for us in this stock. Very good. And then the big one, the biggest one of the day, and this is the biggest one on a day where we have all kinds of good trades. Yes, this is FCEL, which is Fuel Cell Energy. And in Fuel Cell Energy, we bought this on the pop at the beginning of the day yesterday. It really closed just barely profitable yesterday, but it pops up today. That keeps us in the trade and kept moving up there and holds up there pretty well. Not much of a pullback there. And we are carrying in open trade $17,800 in Fuel Cell Energy. Just a great trade there. I want to mention to you that first of all, wish everybody a Merry Christmas. Tomorrow is Christmas Eve, and it is a short trading day. The stocks will close 3 hours early tomorrow, which means that's 1 p.m. Eastern Time. It's 10 a.m. Pacific Coast Time where I am. And here's the thing about short trading days. Oftentimes before a holiday, they can be very quiet. Traders quit, go home early, etc., etc., etc. So there's little trading, but not always. And I always remind people of the story of General Washington, who crossed the Delaware on Christmas Day and surprised the British and Hessians, who were all drunk and celebrating the holiday, and he defeated an army much larger than his own with hardly a shot being fired because he surprised them by attacking them on a holiday. I've seen the same thing happen in markets. And sometimes these short days can be wild, as you have some traders trying to replicate what Washington did and surprise everybody with an attack on right before a holiday. So don't be lulled. Don't take you should never take off time around holidays. And just what has happened to us in the past week tells you why that is true. We made tons of money this week, and we could make a ton tomorrow. That's no promise, but I'm just saying, don't take tomorrow off. Even though Trump gave all the federal workers the day off, he didn't give traders a day off. We got a half day tomorrow, so I'll see you tomorrow, and I hope you're all here for the action.